Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn new topic, how to know how to get user ID and password for filing of income tax return. You know very well the last date of filing of income tax return is 30th September, and if you don't file your income tax return in previous years, and in this year 2022 you have to file your income tax return. Therefore you require your user ID and password through FBR. You can easily get user ID and password by yourself. It is fbr.gov.pk. Login this. Federal Board of Revenue, Government of Pakistan. It is income tax iris. Click on it. A new window will appear. Just click on e-enrollment. The new window will appear. It is very simple procedure for getting user ID and password. You have only two things: your email address. Before starting these steps, you have email address and mobile phone sim, mobile phone. You have to mention CNIC number here. The name will not appear here. When you submit your application, then name will automatically appear. Don't worry, you just mention CNIC number here, and current service provider. Mention, if you are using Uphone sim, you just select Uphone, and mention cell number. You have to mention start 0092, then your number. Ignore first zero of your mobile number, and mention complete mobile number. I repeat, mention cell number like 0092. You have to mention, then then mention your mobile number. Then don't consider zero. Then start with 3211 like this. Same cell number mention here by using 0092. Then ignore zero. Then mention remaining digit of your mobile sim number. Then you mention your email address, complete email address that are using by you, because when you submit this email address and phone number, the confirmation message received from FBR website from your cell number and your email address. When you mention code, just when you mention code, these codes in here, then you get user ID and password. Therefore you have to mention email address and cell number. Same email address you mention here, and this image QFUW you mention here, and submit it. When you submit it, you receive a message from FBR on your cell number and on email address. You have to open your email address, and you see one code received from email address and one code received on your cell number. When you submit it, a box appear. You have to mention code that are received on your email address. Then you receive a message on your mobile phone, and on email address the message is your user ID and password and your pin code. And through this link, you can get user ID and password. It is very simple procedure. You can take user ID and password within 2 to 3 minutes. Just fill it and you get code from FBR website on your mobile phone and email address. Both these two codes you have to feed in dialog box appear, and when you submit it you receive user ID and password and pin code. I think it is maximum 2 to 3 minutes, and you can receive user ID and password. Through this video you can share to others that will get user ID and password easily, free of cost, and you can do it by yourself as well. And you can watch it and apply it as well, and you will feel it is very simple form. Thank you so much.